Hi everyone, I'm going to attempt to change my shower head and add on a filter as well. So here I go. So I'm taking this part off. Okay, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, so watched a lot of tutorials, and usually when I do, they make it look so easy, but I always run into problems, but hopefully not this time. So, yay, check it out. That's the first step. Woo! Okay, I'm just gonna clean this off as best I can, inside and out. Next, we apply the, what is it, Teflon tape around like 3 times. Okay. So I am carefully wrapping it around. Nice. Okay, wrapped that around 3-ish times and then just tore it off. It's nice and tight, secure. Beautiful, right? Okay, next step is to add the filter. I put the little piece in here, the rubber, whatever it's called, that came with it, into here, and then this attaches to the straight on, carefully, just like so. Hopefully this will solve my leak problem. Oh, I should have wrapped the tape the other way. Okay, so I just ran into some sort of issue, not thinking ahead. So I wrapped the tape this way, which I probably should have wrapped it this way so that when I screw it on, because right now it wants to take it off, it seems. This accidentally happened. But at least I got that on so far. I'm just gonna wrap that up. And hopefully it'll go on now. Second attempt. I changed the direction of the tape so that when I screw this on clockwise, it won't unravel that tape. Nice and snug. Not too tight. Until it feels right. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the water for a minute. See what it does. Go ahead and turn on the water. Okay, there's no leak. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at that. First I have to attach the shower head, but there's no leak. No leak. That's the first success. I feel really good. Okay. Second step. The shower head. Now I'm going to attempt to attach this piece. Make sure that the washer is flat inside there. And we're going to just go ahead and screw that right on carefully so that it's nice and snug and that this piece is aiming face down. So, troubleshooting, 1 second. Okay, hopefully it ends up facing down when it's nice and snug. Nope, still at an angle. Standing up, go around. Please, 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 please. Nope, now it's facing up. Well, I got it to be straight, but this piece is supposed to be down here. Okay, so after spending way too much time trying to make this piece aim down, I found out that the threads don't line up that way. There's no way it's ever possible. The only thing to do is screw this piece ball joint or something, and then I can fix it. So here I go. This will end up facing up, and then now I can make this face down and then go ahead and tighten, tighten this. Oh, I knew there had to have been a way. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Now to check for leaks. Turn it on. Woohoo! No leaks. Now to attach the hose. Wish me luck. Okay, so first I have a little washer here, and then this piece on right here goes on to right here. So we're gonna do washer and screw that on. Okay, here we go. Put the washer on, so like so, and like so. Just find the threads. This one doesn't matter which way it aims at the, when you're done. Oh, as long as you get it on straight. Oh my, hold on. I guess that's all the further it goes. It seems like it would screw on all the threads, but I will test it in a little bit. So for now, I'm gonna add the washer, same thing, to this piece, and then add it to the shower head. Okay, ready for the final result, and hopefully there's no leaks. Here we go. It's all installed. It looks good. There weren't any leaks so far, other than I don't know if there's gonna be leaks here or there. So, ready? Oh yeah! Wait. Oh, there's a leak up here. Man. Okay, since there's a leak up there, it's probably because I tried to screw it on and off so many times to make it adjust right, and so I'm just gonna have to put some more tape on and then try it out again. Okay, so I redid that, dried it off really well, re-added that washer screen thing, and then did some more tape, and then screwed it on, and now we're gonna try last attempt, right? Here we go. And hopefully no leaks. Other than from here. Okay, so it's doing that again, so maybe I should just put more tape around it. I don't know. Oh look, I got Teflon tape on my foot. Make sure this doesn't happen. It's stuck up there, so I'm trying to get it to come out on the side. Oh my, so 3 times the charm, is that what they say? Here we go. I got extra tape up there. I dried it out really well. I put the new screen washer in there, and this is where my original shower was having problems before as well, but hopefully it works now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think. Ooh. I think it's working. Okay. 1 project down, 20 million more to go. Oh no. Now that's leaking. It is leaking. Oh. Problem solved.